welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can connect a Vercel account to GitHub. So first thing that you should do is you just have to log in to your Vercel account. Okay, and then once you're here, you just have to tap on your profile at the top right hand corner of your screen and then tap on the account settings. That's right. And then here at the left side, we have the authentication. So just have to simply tap on this one. And then here, under the sign in methods, you have here your GitHub. So you just have to simply tap on the button labeled connect. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. So what you're going to do here is you just have to simply confirm the authorization. So after that, you'll be able to see here now that the GitHub is successfully connected to your Vercel account. Now, if you would like to reconnect this one or disconnect, so you just have to tap on the three dots. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.